Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Stick around, it's gonna be an interesting few hours. That's the wrong one. It's finally time for the room tour. So this is the sitting area. I've already littered it with my stuff. That is the main beach area. Guys, so I just came for a pee break. It's actually my first time going to a party by myself. Let's hear the round of applause, please. I thought that this outfit would eat, but it ain't eating. I honestly don't know what I was thinking about when I packed that bag. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have decided to vlog today because why? Because I have something I'm doing today. Exciting. Not exciting, but it's exciting. Anyways, it's past 11 and we are going to Ebano to get a few things that I will need today and other stuff. Anyways, stick around, it's going to be an interesting few hours. Bye guys. Daddy, say hi to your sister. It's not for now, it's for when I get to the hotel. You guys, I don't know what to choose. I'm tempted to try this, but I've never tried it before. I see Doritos. I hate Doritos. They taste horrible. These ones just taste really. I don't like it. That's the wrong one. My apartment, I feel like I will obviously do like a room tour for you guys, but I just feel like they could have done more in terms of like the lighting in here because it's a cute bathroom. It's a cute mirror, a cute bathroom. I think that I should do a room tour for you guys after they clean, just so that you know you really see how pretty this space is. I think it's cute. I mean, Lagos people on their short list, they're doing an amazing job. Oh, and there's also like a full length mirror here for like when you get ready and you want to look at like your entire outfit, which is really cool. So this is me right now. Cute little garden space, and then the rooms out here. You guys, I want to show you something really cute. So I was checking the cupboards to see like what's inside, you know, just to like before I do the tour, just to know what's in everything. And it's just really cool and I had to show you. So yeah, I opened this cupboard and of course, yeah, plates. But then I try to open this one and look, it turns on the light. So when you're cooking, you can see what you're cooking. Why is this exciting to me? I don't know, but it's exciting. And to shut it off, you just do this. Cool. All right, hi guys. It's finally time for the room tour. Oh, I should first also mention that this is a Gidi stays apartment. So I've never been in one of their apartments before, but it's so pretty. I feel like I have mentioned this before, but it's so pretty. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I don't know what rates it's going for, but I'm going to find out and let you guys know. But yeah, I'm just going to show you around now. All right. So this is the entrance of the apartment. This door here, so it doesn't use a key or a card. They give you a code and then you type the code into the door and that's how you get in. And so just right opposite the door when you come in is like the minibar area. So there is a kettle. I love this kettle because it's transparent and it's really pretty. I don't know what, okay, there's like a shelf here for you to put things, and then there is a coffee maker. And so if you're feeling like coffee, you can just pop one of these in there. If you're feeling like a cappuccino. I'm just gonna try this tomorrow, not today, tomorrow, because I've never tried one before and it's available and it's free. So I'm gonna try one of this tomorrow morning. And so they've got milk, they've got, what is this, tea, they've got sugar, they've got regular coffee if that's your thing. And then, oh, they keep this complimentary, so like the floss thing here. And then right below that you have a microwave. Just gonna open it so you guys can see. Here, simple microwave. And then underneath it is just storage, nothing serious. Now right above it, no, right beside it is a shelf for like cups and like a wine glass, a water glass. Since I think maybe it's this many glasses because it's really for one person, and then max 2 people. So the fridge, this is bigger than the regular mini size, the regular bar fridge, which I like because if you're staying in an apartment and you're staying for a long period of time and you want to store food, this is great. So you have the freezer area. I have something in there, I'm not going to tell you what that is. And then you have the fridge area, which is really empty. Then you have switches on this side, and then when you turn to your left, that's when you see the apartment. So they have like this 2 sitting area for people. I've already laid out like a few of my stuff. I've been eating these chips because yeah, I'm really hungry and there's nothing else to eat. So okay. And then here we have the kitchen area. Underneath it you have storage. We've got like cutlery, pans, and all those other stuff. I have a cute little sink right here. I don't know what this, okay, I think this is like soap pump. I don't think there's soap in it. You have like a 2-burner, I think, electric cooker. There is this right above it for a plate rack, shelf. I think so. This is a sitting area. I've already littered it with my stuff, and I was watching something before I started doing this, so I'm just gonna come from here and show you guys what it's looking like. And then there's a lamp there, like a small demarcation for privacy. And then you have the bed. It's like cute artwork around it. You have the AC, you have a fan, you have like a little study area, which I think is cute. My only problem I feel like with this apartment is that the lighting is actually not that great. But aside from that, it's a really cute apartment. And then you have like storage area for like your clothes. And then I think the most beautiful thing is this iron right here, because I was thinking about having to ask them for an iron. And then they put like a board game in case you're with someone and you guys just want to occupy yourself, which is really cute and really thoughtful. A lot of storage space. Even up there as well, you can put like your box for people that are traveling in. And then you have the bathroom. Again, I don't like that the lighting isn't great, but this is the bathroom. This is me. Hi guys. There is like a washing machine here, absolutely great. And then yeah, and then you have like the sink over here. You have like the toilet, tissue paper. Oh yeah, you have things here. And then the bathroom over, like the bath area over there. So that is literally all there is to this apartment. It's really cute, it's really nice, but yeah, the lighting, they can do better with the lighting. Because see you guys when I'm getting ready, or when I'm ready, I don't know, but I need to charge my phone. So later guys.
Girl, it's Friday night. We ain't kicking in a while on a Friday night. It's time to step out on this Friday night. You acting like a
getting ready, but I wanted to show you guys my bikini. I was gonna add another layer, but with the way it's looking, I don't think I want to. Like, my only problem with this is that it's too big. I shouldn't have brought the shorts. This was a bad idea. I don't have a belt. I actually have nothing. So yeah. So this is actually cute, but okay, let me show you now. This is it. Should I be showing you on this mirror? Because this is what it's looking, the pants and the swimwear. I hope it's cute. Like, it looks cute like in person, but I don't know. And the back is just like this, which is like, I'm okay with the fact because I am fat. There's nothing I can do about that reality. So, but I think it's cute. It does look cute. Guys, so I just came for a pee break and I'm going back outside. I don't think I've shown you guys what's happening, but like when I get done, of course, I'm going to show you guys what is happening. Anyways, I'll see you guys downstairs.
That is the main beach area, and then we are in the beach house area. Let me show you that.
I realized that I haven't spoken to you guys in a bit, and I'm currently at Jay's Diner. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, babies, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it is actually the day after and I woke up like, I don't know, 2 hours ago. I took a shower, brushed my teeth, and now I'm just sitting around at least till checkout. So the plan for today is literally so simple. I am actually supposed to go to my auntie's place, which is on the island, so it makes no sense going all the way back to the mainland to come back to the island. So what I've decided to do is wait around for my family to get to the island, and then we will all go. So I'm actually in Lekki phase 1 and my aunt's place is in Songotedo. So yeah, but checkout for this apartment is at, you guys, these are my lovely nails that I fixed. Like 3 of them have, actually 4, so 3 on this finger, 1 on the other finger have fallen out. But as I was saying, so yeah, so checkout time for here is actually at 11. So I don't think they're gonna make it for 11. So what I'm going to do is I will head to a restaurant to grab something to eat because I'm actually hungry, and then wait for them there. So I'll probably leave here at 11, 10:30 ish. Yeah, I'll call an Uber at 10:30 and then I'll leave around that time. Anyways, I just wanted to update you guys, and yeah. Oh, let me tell you guys about the event yesterday. So this was actually my first time going to a party by myself. Let's hear the round of applause, please. Because if you know me, you know how much of a big deal that actually is. Because I actually never go anywhere by myself. And I went by myself. It was a party. I knew like a couple of people, but not enough for them to dedicate their whole time to me. So but I was able to like talk to a few people, meet a few people, so I'm actually excited about that. And the party was cool. It was really chill. It was a beach party, so the vibes were really nice. I didn't get a lot of like clips of what was going on, but we just played like a few games, mostly water games, so I didn't participate because I don't know how to swim and I can't go and die. So so yeah, I didn't really participate in the games, but like I had a good time. There was a lot to drink and I drank. I'm all dressed, just sitting around. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. I thought that this outfit would eat, but it ain't eating. I just look dead. So these are like the trousers I wore yesterday. Actually, it's not too bad, is it? These are the trousers I wore yesterday, and then this top and this shirt. I don't know, the color of the shirt just feels very off. I have a black shirt, so I feel like I'm going to try that instead. But let me show you guys on this mirror. That's what it's looking like. I don't like it, especially these jeans. And every other thing I have is too short. I honestly don't know what I was thinking about when I packed that bag. The only thing I got right was what I wore to this beach thing. Every other thing in there is either too short or it's just not making sense to carry. So like I don't know what to do. Let me try the black shirt for you guys. I'm all dressed. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. I thought that this outfit would eat, but it ain't eating. I just look dead. So these are like the trousers I wore yesterday. It's not too bad, is it? These are trousers I wore yesterday. I don't know, the color of the shirt just feels very off. I have a black shirt, so I feel like I want to try that instead. But let me show you guys on this mirror. This is what it's looking like. I don't like it, especially these jeans. And every other thing I have is too short. I honestly don't know what I was thinking about myself to carry. So like I don't know what to do. Let me try the black shirt. So I just had the cutest interaction. So I'm at this restaurant waiting for my family to come and pick me up. And so I go to the counter to order something while I'm waiting because I'm hungry. I feel like I said that before. So this man comes up to me he didn't come up to me. He was talking to the guys that were at the counter selling something. I hope you guys can hear me. It's my mic. And then he was writing something on a piece of paper, and I heard him say, please subscribe, like, comment. And I'm over here like, what could he be talking about? So he then comes to me and says, hi, my daughter has a YouTube channel. She's right over there and she does ads. Could you be nice enough to subscribe? And I kid you not, I feel like that is the sweetest thing, because it's so hard to get subscribers on YouTube. And then to have your dad actually watch your stuff, constantly tell people to support you, sorry, I just thought it was really cute. And of course I subscribe, and of course I'm not unsubscribing because that was just too cute. It was so nice. That's a great cheese pull. Really hot. So